Hi guys, in today's video I'll be teaching about Power BI architecture. Uh, okay, let's go, let's get serious guys. Why are you guys joking all the time? Okay, so we have Power BI architecture first. So in Power BI architecture, it's simple. So we have some connectors with the help of which we can pull data in Power BI desktop. So we can pull data from APIs, from cloud servers, from SQL databases, from XML files, from Excel files, all that good stuff. And there are a lot of options. There are also enterprise options, so you can connect data from with SAP HANA database and all. And after that, when you have pull your data in Power BI desktop, we can design a report, we can clean our data in Power Query, we can make our data models, and after that we can design a report, beautiful reports in with the help of report builder and Power BI. Once we have done completed our report, we need to share it with the end users, and for that what we need to do is we need to publish it over to Power BI service. And once we have shared our report on Power BI service, we need to make sure that our data is always up to date when the user is trying to interact with the report. So in order to do that, we need to set up Power BI gateways. So we there is a process of setting up a Power BI gateways, but this is just a understanding purpose that you need to set up Power BI gateways to keep your data up to date in Power BI service. And after that, you can do row level security. You can apply row level security, share your reports with the users, and all that good stuff. And let's move on to the next slide. Then we have Power BI components. In Power BI components, what we need to do, so first of all, the first thing which you will do when you have pull your data in Power BI is to clean your data. Make sure that it is ready to build visuals on top of it. So we need to firstly check the data types, that all the columns have right data types. There are no duplicates, no errors in our data. If there are any outliers, we can also see that with the help of data preview option in Power Query only. And we need to clean our data. That is the first step. After that, we will move to the next phase, which is our data modeling phase. In data modeling phase, we build relationships between the tables which we have created. So there are different types of relation, one to many to many relationships. And there is to filter the tables. In between the tables, we need to set up the cross filtration process. So there is single and both level of filtration. And of course we need to build schemas. So there is star schema, which is very popular in the Power BI world. So it helps us to build a scalable solution. So in future, if we have a lot of data in our report, we our report will still be working fine because we have made a data model, we have built a star schema, a snowflake schema. And after that, when we have built our good data model, we move on to the next phase, which is our report builder phase, the most fun one. We build visuals. So we can build card visuals, trend chart, bar chart, column charts, matrix table. And there are KPI, there are key performance insight visual, which is the advanced level of visual, where you can see the correlation between your metrics. After that, when you have built your report, when you're done with the report, you need to publish it over the Power BI service, where you can share it with the end user. Because you're not just going to you're not just going to make the report and done with it. You will share it with your end users. And where in Power BI service, where you can with the help of data gateways, with the help of gateways which you need to set up. And after that you can refresh your report on daily basis if you are making live connections, so the data will be refreshed automatically. And you need to see that you are only sharing the report with the right person, so you need to you can manage the security features in Power BI and all that good stuff. And after that we have data connectivity modes. So this is very important. Why? Because when we are fetching data from any source, we need to specify which type of connection we are trying to build. Are we trying to build an import mode, direct query mode, live connection mode, composite mode? So in case if you don't want to make any real time report, you can use import mode. So in import mode, data is imported and stored in Power BI engine locally, which is our Power BI in memory engine. Uh, this is very fast. You can write all the types of DAX functions in this mode, and it is mixed with data sources. But there is a refresh limit. So in Pro you can only refresh with the in import mode you can only refresh your report 8 times, and in Premium you can refresh your report 52 times a day. And if you are building direct query mode, so in direct query mode what happens is direct query data directly connected to the source. So there are some limitations with direct query. So you can use most of the DAX function, but there are some time intelligence function which you cannot use with direct query. You cannot make any calculated columns in direct query, and it can be very slow because you are fetching data. So you need to run your query every time. After that, if you want to make real time reports, so for that you need to build connection. You need to make build live connections. So in live connection it is similar to direct query, but the only difference is it use analysis services. So for that you need to use Fabric Analytics. So in Fabric Analytics I'll show you just a quick view. So if you go in one lake data catalog in Power BI desktop, you can see there are so many different options, and you can see the pop-up message that you in with the help of Lakehouse you can create a live connection to Lakehouse in the Power BI service. So these are all the different sources with the help of which. So if you have a SQL server or SQL database or a cloud server from which you need to pull your data. Firstly, you need to build data pipelines into Microsoft Fabric, and then you need to pull that data with the help of data pipelines. You can clean it, and you can shape your data in any form you want. And then the output what you have, you can put it into Lakehouse or a warehouse or a KQL database, and then you can connect your report with that particular Lakehouse and build live connection reports. I can show you if you want. If you want it, comment it in the comment in the video, and I'll make a practical video of how you can actually do it. So this is just a small thing which I wanted to show you. And then we have composite model. Composite models are simple. We have a model that combines data for more than one direct query source, or that combines direct query. So it is a mixture of import and direct query mode in between our tables. So if there is some data like a transactional table which we want to be updated uh, um, every time, so we can use direct query. And if there are some table we don't want to refresh every time, we can use import mode for that. So that is just a this is just a small, this is how our Power BI architecture is built. uh, a simple preview. So if you guys like this video, please like, the please like the video, comment if you have any doubts. If you want me to, if you can comment on the topics which you want me to build your uh, future videos. You can share it with your colleagues, your friends who are interested in wanted to know about Power BI. And please share the subscribe, please please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.